Hey guys, Trevor here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make a Facebook post private. Now, if you create a Facebook post and you prefer people not be able to see that, just make it private instead of deleting it. I know what that's like. I'm going to walk you through two different options you have to make any given post private. Now, let's open up Facebook here, and I'm going to tap what's on your mind at the very top. Now, if you're creating a post just to practice or play, you might want to make it private, and right under your name there is friends, and I can tap on that, and I can set this to only me, which means that only I will be able to see it, and it's essentially private from anyone being able to watch that post, video, or photo, or read the text. But this is, of course, for a new post. If there's an older post that you want to set to private, maybe it's a photo of an old ex that you prefer to keep private, or you at a party or something, you can always change it to being private. Now, let's do that. Let's hit the X at the top left here to get out of here. And then I'm going to tap on the profile icon at the top left. And then scroll down. I'm going to just choose a random post here, and just tap on those three dots at the top right, and then edit privacy right under edit post there. And here again, I can set the privacy to only me, essentially making this entire post private. No one will be able to see it, like it, comment on it, all that stuff. Hope this helps. Thanks for your time today, and I'll see you on the next one.